Years back, thyroid problem.
Okay.
Thyroid.
Wow.
And fibroids was going on. 5 of them, 5 fibroids. A lot of complication was going on. And I have 3 removed by endometriosis. And then came to Aston, told him my problem, and he came and he gave me Legend, Detox, Queen Nanny, and Glance Her, and I took them.
What about your thyroid?
Everything went back normal. I came here in January before my surgery to see him, and he gave me Queen Nanny, Legend, and Her, and I took them. And February 6th, I was at the rehab center, and I woke up with external abdominal pain. It was so bad, they had to take me to South Shore Medical Center. When they did the CAT scan of the CAT scan of the abdominal, the fiber was coming right through my uterus. Plop, came right out. That was from the Queen Nanny and the Legend. One came out.
What did the doctor say?
The doctor said to me, whatever you take, continue taking it, so the other one can come out.
What did the doctor? What did you think?
I said to my husband,
when they told you,
"Oh my God, Dennis, this is from the Queen Nanny, what Aston gave me." And he said to me, "Yes, you're so right."
Have you got any Queen Nanny since?
No, I have 2 home, but I didn't take it. I scared it because Aston, that pain was too much.
But it came out.
Aston, that pain was too much.
Childbirth?
Yes, worse than childbirth. I thought I was in more than labor.
But aren't you relieved?
Yes.
I'm happy that
and my stomach went. No, this is no joke. I can show you. It went down big time.
It was a big one.
Yeah. I'm going to bring you the picture and show it to you.
I want to see it.
Yeah, after CAT scan. There's one more leaf. Queen Nanny going to get rid of it, but not right now. This is more than praise the Lord. No, praise the Lord to the man who inherit new species, which is Huston and Jillian. And my husband is taking the big boy. It makes me feel like I'm in heaven. I climb the wall when he take that big boy.
Queen Nanny.
Queen Nanny. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Come on, belly up.
Makes me want more and more and more. Making me feel younger. Thank God for new species.